Hi guys, we're still a while away from when we're gonna see the Galaxy S23 devices, but we have some exciting information that might mean bigger battery capacity on each variant of the S23. We also have the battery capacity of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, but before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the code name for the Galaxy S23 devices is Diamond. And according to latest rumors, Project Diamond will introduce a new battery technology. It's a new process method for building batteries that will increase the density of the battery, which means they can fit an even larger capacity in the same space as previous generation. So the battery expectations for the S23 series is 4500 mAh for the base S23, 5000 mAh for the S23 Plus, and 5500 mAh for the S23 Ultra. Now, it could be higher for the S23 Ultra or lower, especially for the base S23, but there's definitely gonna be an increase in battery capacity of the S23 devices, and that's because the preparations for mass producing this battery technology has already begun and it's already been tested. So it's highly likely we're gonna see this on the S23 series, but we're most likely not gonna see this new battery technology on the Z Fold 4, and that's because it's too late to incorporate this technology into the Z Fold 4. And also, Samsung is gonna source the battery for the Z Fold 4 from LG. Speaking of the battery for the Fold 4, a new leak has shown the battery capacity of the device, and it's gonna use a split battery technology with a cell on each side of the foldable device. One half of the device will house a 2002 mAh capacity, and the other half will house a 2268 mAh capacity. And when combined, it's gonna give a total capacity of 4270 mAh, which is the same actual capacity as the Fold 3, and that means it's gonna be marketed with a 4400 mAh rated capacity just like the Fold 3. So the Z Fold 4 is gonna have the same battery capacity as the Fold 3 while being lighter and in a smaller form factor than the Fold 3. Anyway, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.